Oh, everybody, my name is Liam. You should know my name already, so I shouldn't be introducing myself. So, today I'll show you how to do this thing. Play sound, get sound, RPG, metal, fling. Did you hear that? So all you have to do is type in play sound. No, I don't. So let's just do it again. Play sound. And then get sound. Then parentheses. And then another parentheses, and then a semicolon. Don't forget to put two parentheses, not one parentheses. So yeah, that's it for the video for now. Unless I want to torture you with these. Put down in the comments below who you like. Oh, I have to get up. That's it. No, not. This is not it. On me. I'll do that. You know. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye. See you next